Oh, na magpahula.
Magpahula.
Okay.
Okay, ako yung magpahula.
Mga bagay na nakikita sa birthday. Okay.
Okay.
Birthday party. Alright.
English, Tagalog.
Oh, wala. Ay,
English. How many words? 2 words.
okay. Tapos,
First word, second word. Both words. Shape of view. Spaghetti. Gulaman. Ano yun? Pera. Ice cream. Leche plan. First word. Second word. Macaroni, salad, Tupperware, container, bilog, circle, bilog, bilo, bilog, hamon, pass.
one word. English. Fireworks. Hindi ko alam tawag dyan eh. Confetti.
English. 2 words. Second word. Bag. Loot bags.
One word. English. Table. Diretso sa word na lang.
English. 2 words. Crown. King. Burger King. Bawal yun. King. Burger. Hat. Hotdog. Ano? Bawal yun. 2 words. Second word. First word. Party. Party hat. Hotdog.
One word. Tagalog.
Hey!
Tagalog. 3 words. Ay, 3 syllables.
3 syllables. Pas na lang mo.
Okay.
Hotdog. 1 word. English. Spaghetti.
1 word. English. MC. Host.
First word. 1 word. English. So, Frisbee. Ikot. Oh no. Dance. Clown. Entertainer. Ano yun?
Expect
Magician.
Expect Patron.
Ano nangyari?